Okay guys, pasok na po kayo sa lahat po ng mga may tickets. At syempre pa, thank you so much, Janela and Win. Of course, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. Once again,
to Win, and of course, our very own Janela Salvador. Good evening, Win and Janela. You have your microphones. Janela, your microphone. Of course, you want to greet our fans and friends here in Cinema 3, Win and Janela.
It's okay. Hi guys, thank you for being here.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us to watch our film. I'm so nervous, I'm stuttering. We hope you enjoy the film.
I love you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito. Again, di natin papatagalin, we call on again our producers and our director for one quick photo op, and then we'll proceed with the film. Ayan, so punta muna kayo dito.
Wait, sorry.
Yes, Janela.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nandito tonight. Of course, to our fans, Win's fans, Janela Stairs, Josh Nella, Jay Nellas, you're all present, and we really appreciate your presence tonight. And of course, most especially to our family, our friends from the industry, and gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa production, and to Direct Sigrid, to Win, thank you so much. We worked so hard on this film, we've been through so much, and we're finally here, and we hope you all enjoy the film, and we hope that it touches you.
Okay? One quick photo. This is our film. Ayan, sa gitna. Again, to everyone, please sit back, relax, at maya-maya lamang mag-umpisa na ang pelikula. Again, ito po ang Under Parallel Skies. Showing na po tomorrow, April 17 in cinemas nationwide. On May 1 sa Singapore and May 9 sa Thailand. Of course, starring with Meta Win and Janela Salvador. Directed by Sigrid Bernardo, produced by 28 Square Studios, distributed by Warner Bros. And PH. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito! Ayan, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-share, of course, at promote ang pelikula after niyo pong mapanood ito. Thank you so much sa ating mga bisita sa taas. Ayan, please enjoy. Maraming salamat. Once again, thank you so much to our producers, to our director.
Creative team are Filipino, and at the end of the day also, Win and I remember Win also did one of his interviews saying that he wants to bring Thai content or Asian content to the world. So I believe this is a collaboration that is perfect for all of us. And of course, Janela, thank you guys so much. Janela, thank you so much also for doing this project, Win. And of course, GMM TV also, thank you for doing this with us. And of course, our venue, SM Mega Mall, thank you guys for having this place with us. And this is such a huge space. And I can't believe that we really filled this up. More than 695 people actually said yes to our confirmation. So again, thank you so much. Okay, I am running out of breath. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. But of course, before that, let's hear it from very important people such as Direct Sigrid, Janela Salvador. But next, and of course, Win Meant to Win. But let's hold on to that. Let's have Direct Sigrid, everybody!
Yeah! Yes, ngayon pa lang congratulations.